Do you think investing is only for super rich people with fancy finance degrees? Do you think you need thousands to even begin? That idea holds so many people back from building real wealth. The truth is, the most powerful wealth-building tool in the world is available to everyone, and it works best when you start small. Time is your greatest asset, not the amount of money you have right now. This rule is so simple, yet it's the secret sauce for turning tiny seeds into giant trees of wealth. Imagine you decide to save and invest just 10 a day. That's like 2 fancy coffees you skip. If you put that 10 a day into an investment that earns a conservative 8 annual return, which is historically achievable over long periods in the stock market through things like index funds, what do you think happens? Most people would guess a decent amount, maybe 100,000. But prepare to be shocked. After 30 years, that 10 a day, which is only 3,650 a year, would grow to over 450,000. Open a low-cost investment account like a Roth IRA or a brokerage account. You can do this online in minutes. Then, set up an automatic transfer of just 10 a day or even 5 a day from your checking account into that investment account. Automate it so you don't even think about it.